Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is noun and conjunction. There will be 20 questions and each question carries 1 mark each. So don't forget to give yourself 1 mark for each correct answer. Okay? So are you all ready? Can we start? Let's get started. First question. Which of the following is a proper noun? Here are your options. Car, girl, Rahul, fruit. These are the 4 options. Which one of them is a proper noun? It is option C, Rahul. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark. Okay? Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Pick the common noun. Here are your options. Africa, apple, Monday, Diwali. These are the 4 options. You have to pick common noun out of these 4 options. Which one it is? Those who are saying option B are absolutely right. Well done. And give yourself 1 marks again. Next, which is a collective noun in this sentence? The sentence is the herd of cows moved slowly. Now identify the collective noun in this sentence. Your options are cows, slowly, moved, herd. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option D, herd. Next question. What type of noun is beauty? Okay, is it an abstract noun or a material noun or a common noun or a collective noun? Which type of noun is beauty? It is option A, abstract noun. Okay. Okay, next one. Identify the material noun out of these 4 options. Options are sugar, pencil, window, room. These are the 4 options. Now quickly identify which one of them is a material noun. It is option A, sugar. Okay. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark again. Okay, next one. Which of these is a plural noun? Okay, here are your options. Mouse, mouses, mice, mousy. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Come on, this one is very easy. I'm sure all of you will get it correct. And the correct option is option C, mice. Okay? Okay, question number 7. What is the noun in this sentence? This is the sentence. Bird fly in the sky. Now identify the noun in the sentence. Here are your options. Fly in sky bird. And you have to choose the noun among these 4 options only. Only whatever option is given, you have to choose the noun from these options only. Okay, which one it is? It is option C, sky. Okay, question number 8. Choose the correct collective noun to fill in this blank. A dash of singers. Which word should come over here? Pack, group, choir, team. Which word should come over in this blank? It is option C, choir. A choir of singers. Next question. What type of noun is school in this sentence? Okay. The school starts at 8 a.m. So, what type of noun is school? Is it a proper noun? Is it an abstract noun? Is it a collective noun or is it a common noun? Which type of noun is school? It is option D, common noun. If you all got it right, give yourself 1 mark again. Okay, question 10. Which of these noun is not capitalized correctly? Okay, Ganga, London, January, India. Which one it is? It is option B, London. Okay? Okay. The last one was very easy. Okay? Let's move on to the conjunction question. Question number 11. Fill in the blank. I washed my hands, dash, I ate dinner. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are because, or, before, and. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C, before. I wash my hand before I eat dinner. Question 12. Choose the correct conjunction to fill in this blank. The baby was crying, dash, it was hungry. Which word should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? Options are or, because, but, if. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option B. The baby was crying because it was hungry. Question number 13. Pick the conjunction. In this sentence, you have to identify the conjunction. Sentences, would you like juice or milk? Now identify the conjunction in this sentence. Is it like, is it juice, is it or is it would? Which one it is? Those who are saying option C or are absolutely right. Well done. And give yourself 1 mark again. Okay, question number 14. Fill in the blank. He can play the guitar dash the piano. Which word should I fill in this blank? Or, and, but. And the last option is so. Which word should I fill in this blank? It is option B. He can play the guitar and the piano. Question 15. Which sentence uses the conjunction but correctly? Okay. Here are your options. She is tall but she runs fast. Next, she is tall but short. Next, she is tall but kind. And the last, she is tall but blue. These are the four options. You have to identify the sentence that uses conjunction but correctly. It is option C. She is kind. She is tall but kind. Okay. Okay, next question, question number 16. Choose the best conjunction to fill in this blank. Okay, the sentence is, they studied hard, dash, they passed the exam. Which word should I fill in this blank? Which is the best conjunction to fill in this blank? Or, so, but, if. These are the options. Choose the best conjunction to fill in this blank. It is option B. They studied hard, so they passed the exam. Okay, question number 17. Identify the conjunction. We went out although it was raining. Your options are although, went, out, raining. Now you have to identify among these four options which one is a conjunction. It is option A, although. Question number 18, fill in the blank. We will go for a picnic dash it doesn't rain. Which word should I fill over here? So, and, if, although. Which one is the correct option to fill in this blank? It is option C. We will go out for a picnic if it doesn't rain. Question 19. Pick the correct sentence using and. Options are, she ate pizza and juice. Next, she ate pizza and swim. Next, she ate pizza and happy. And the last, she ate pizza and fast. These are the four options. Which one has used the and correctly? It is option A. She ate pizza and juice. Okay, question 20. Choose the best conjunction to fill in this blank. I will do my homework dash I finish playing. Which word should I put in this blank? When, but, or so. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank? It is option A. I will do my homework when I finish playing. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. Make sure you mention in the comment section below how much score you got out of 20. I would love to see your score. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.